Jimmy walks into the room to a brand new 3D printer. Then he gets so excited that he goes straight to print out a benchy.
One eternity later.
After a while, the benchy was done printing, but it came with some fumes. Jimmy walks in excited, but then he sniffs cancer in the air. So he goes and searches up for an air purifier. He's in shock because they're all so expensive. Then he almost dies just by seeing the price. So he thinks to himself to make his own air purifier out of AliExpress parts. A HEPA filter and a carbon activated filter. Then Jimmy whips out his GOJO Fan. With that great idea in mind, he goes to measure the diameter of the GOJO fan to create a CAD design for the housing of the filter. Then Jimmy puts on his glasses and starts creating a 3D design. He contemplates on different designs while going into Onshape and making sketches. Alright guys, so I actually started this project a while back, but I had to order everything, so it took a while to come, but this was the CAD design that I made. I used Onshape just because I was already pretty familiar with it from what I did in high school. And yeah, so this one was a pretty simple design. I just, on the top plane, I made a circle, and then I made a like an extended plane over here, which I made a square like in the sketch, and then I lofted those two, which is how these pieces got connected right here, and then on the plane of the square I made another square with a little bigger base, and that's was meant to be able to like, kind of hold the filters inside here. It makes it easier instead of having just like a flat piece with no like encasing or enclosure. So that's basically how I did it. It didn't take me that long. Actually, I lied. It did take me a little bit because there was a few things I was getting like messed up on, and I couldn't figure it out. But it ended up working. Not too bad. Pretty easy. But yeah. Alright guys, this is everything that's needed for the project. This is what I 3D printed. It kind of got messed up on these supports because I removed it wrong. So there's like a little edges on there, pieces hanging off. But other than that, the print actually came out like pretty nice. And my printer's been acting up, so like I thought it'd be worse, but this is kind of nice. One thing I did do was, so the charcoal activated filter is going to be what's removing all the harmful stuff in the air. HEPA doesn't do too much, but it blocks like I think the physical. But what I did was I tested the airflow through here. It's alright, but it's not that great. Through here, it's pretty good. So what I was going to do is, since this is layered, I was just going to cut it very professionally with a knife. And then I'm going to cut it to size using a caliper and some scissors. Yeah. So after like 10 minutes of cutting, it don't look so good. But the middle, it looks just like styrofoam. It doesn't really look like it's filtering anything, so it is what it is. We got this, the filter anyways, and then we're gonna cut both of these out. So yeah. Alright, back. Glue is coming out. Alright. Let's get a better angle. See this little part right here? I'm about to glue that first. I hope this part sticks down. Use my chin here. Go. I'll wait for that to glue down. Like more. Oh yeah. So professional. Oh yeah. You got the first part on. Now I'm doing it all around. I use my chin here. Oh yeah. So professional. So the reason why I chose hot glue is not only because it's cheaper, or well, decently cheap, it's easy, and it's easy to take off too. So when you want to change the filter, you kind of just rip it off. Well, at least that's the goal. I won't know till I try, but yeah. Okay. Hope it looking good from here. Wait for this to dry. Nice. Oh yeah, it's blowing. Okay, now we got these two. This one's gonna go on first. This one's an important one, and it fits better too. I could not cut the HEPA filter for the life of me. That was really annoying. I mean, I should expect it. It's kind of like a fibrous material. Did not want to cut. So we have the charcoal filter first. Yeah, it cut really easily. So yeah, this one is gonna go in first. Pop it in like that, and then hopefully glue a little bit in there. Not too much though, so that when time comes, you know, take it off. But for now, just gonna do a really bad job gluing, but enough to keep it in there. And then we got this part glued onto the top, or well, kind of glued on enough. And then this will be our prototype 1 for this project. Turning off that, wait. Corner down, corner down. Yeah. All right. Not the prettiest job, but once it dries, wait, let me get this corner low key. Oh yeah, this is like, it's like the broke man's welding. See it in action. Oh yeah. We got a little air purifier going on here. So there you go. I mean, this is gonna be prototype 1. I'm gonna try to use this with the 3D printer and hopefully it'll do some work.